Welcome back to AFARCO. Continuing with the Stencil printer project, we have now completed its controller. With this controller, we can set up basic parameters to make operating the printer easy and smooth. First, we can home in the machine. The interface on the controller screen will display the coordinates. The current machine position home coordinate is 0. The sitting position is where the stencil comes into contact with the PCB underneath. On these parameters, we can also adjust to fit our needs. In addition, we can also adjust the speed parameters right here on this menu. Do you guys like it?